day, everyone. I am Loren Concepcion, a third-year college student at Bicol University, Pulangi campus, taking the course of Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education. So in this video, I will explain to you how to create a menu button. The first thing we will do is open Fireworks. This can be found in the Start menu under Adobe software. So once Fireworks is open, we will create a new Fireworks PNG documents. Once this open, we get a window thing asking us what we want in our new document. We need to tell Fireworks three things. First, what size we want. Second, what resolution we want. And last, what background color we want. To add a button, click the edit and go to the insert command and select insert new button. Control plus shift plus F8 is the keyboard shortcut for this step. So go to the import button screen. So Adobe Fireworks CS3 is the first version of Adobe Fireworks to be developed in-house by Adobe Systems after its acquisition of Macro Media. So that's all. Thank you.